Welcome, today in front of me Nokia G60 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first we should open the settings application and then tap to wallpaper and style. Here we can see the change wallpaper section. Just click here once. We can select our new photo here from our device, photos previously taken on our device camera or downloaded from the internet. Also, we can use our device wallpaper, the default one. For example, to use it, we should just select the wallpaper, and after that we can also here change the position of the wallpaper. Then just select the lock screen to see how that will look on the lock screen, and tap on the right down corner to OK and select here lock screen. Just wait a second. So let's just lock the device and we can see that we just successfully change it. Also, we have one more way how we can do that. Just first we should hold it, and after that tap here to wallpaper and style. Click by the same way here to change wallpaper and select one from your wallpapers. We can make it from here also, so you can use one from this available just folders with the wallpapers. Okay, we just have the slow internet connection here. Okay, so now just let's tap to OK, lock screen, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.